Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we have taken the glitter cut crease to a new level, and we're not just doing, sort of like, glitter eyeliner or anything like that. We're doing some like chunky, like festival inspired glitter, and we've got some bright colours going on. It's like a really fun look. This would be really cool for a festival if you had the time to do it. But if you are interested in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let's go ahead and get into it. So just started off with a bit of the Laura Geller Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in Champagne. I love this. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know it's like one of my favourite products. And I'm just going to go in with the Makeup Revolution new foundation. It's the, I think it's called the Fast Base Stick Foundation, yeah. And I've got this in the shade F1, which is the lightest shade. I'm just going to do a couple of lines on my face and just blend it out with a BH Cosmetics foundation brush. I think it's the 103 brush. Okay, now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the lightest shade, which is C1. I'm going to put this just under my eyes and a bit on my lid. Then I'm going to lay down a bit of the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to blend that out on my little beauty blender. I've just quickly powdered my face with the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana bronzer. I'm just going to go into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and take probably like a little mix of this orange shade and yellow shade, and I'm going to sort of pat the orange shade over the lid and probably put a little bit of the yellow in the crease just to blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to take a bit of the Barry M Glitter Fixer Gel. I'm just going to put a bit on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take the Unicorn Cosmetics, it's like that angled liner brush. It's just a really, really thin brush. I actually have two of these because one turned up and it was like a bit bent. So they sent me another one. But it's okay to use for like glues and stuff, but I wouldn't use it for liner because it would just like, it's a bit too like, you see what I mean, like the angle of it. But I'm going to take the Glitter Fixer Gel just on the back of my hand, and I'm going to sort of lay this in the crease. I'm probably going to do this one eye at a time because I probably need to work quite quickly. And I've got this Barry M glitter. It's like a chunky glitter. I can't remember the shade of it. I think it's called like Sass something, but it's like the pink coloured one. You can definitely find it on the website, and I'll link it down below and stuff. Okay, now you've made like a giant mess all over your floor and all over yourself, because this is going to be a bit of a messy process. Like, it's just going to be the way it is. Once you've made a giant mess, you're sort of done with this like crease bit. I recommend you just go slowly and try and like pack it on. This is quite like a chunky glitter, so sometimes it's easy to just try and like get like one little individual bit. I was using the Real Techniques accent brush to do this and just sort of like tapping it in. I'm going to do a little wing liner, and I'll probably stick on some lashes, and then I'll come back and we'll do some like highlighting and little things like that. See, whenever I put on lashes that aren't like ridiculously huge, and it actually takes me like 5 minutes instead of 20, I'm always shocked. These are the Vegas Nay Eyeliner Shining Star lashes. I can see if I can link them down below. I'm just taking the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Gold Digger. I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones and the inner corners of my eyes. And then for lips, I'm going to go with something neutral, seeing as we've got some crazy highlighter and glitter going on. I'm just going to take the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Bel Air, which is just a sort of neutral, sort of peachy brown colour. Okay, and we are done with this makeup tutorial. Yeah, I'd recommend going for like a liquid lip or something long lasting if you're going to be out and like drinking and eating and stuff, because otherwise it's just going to go everywhere. Sorry, my hair is really annoying me today. It just like, it's being really frizzy. It probably doesn't look that bad on camera, but in person it's really annoying me. But yeah, I definitely recommend a liquid lipstick, and you could go for a bright colour if you wanted to. I just went with a neutral colour, but you could totally do like a pink or just chuck some gloss on if that's what you prefer. But I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll try and have all the products listed down below for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!